Okay, hi. This is an overview about the application we are going to build. The app name is ToDo application. As you know what it does, it simply creates the tasks you want to do. So there will be multiple operations and the overview we will see in this video. So let's start it. Okay, notes, overview.txt. So the operations we are going to do are, first of all we need to list the to do, then we need to add new to do. Okay. Then after adding we can update existing to do, then delete existing to do. So here, this is in simple English. Like we can see listing to do will what we know about it. Like all the to dos that are present in our database, we can list it. Again, adding to do just like the database connectivity will happen, and then the new task will be added to the existing list of to dos in this way. But in technical words, we can say like get all request. So listing all to dos means getting all the data that is present in the database. Okay, add new to do means the post request we are going to perform. Then we have update existing to do. This is put request. Then we have a delete operation to do, that is delete request. This way, these are the major important operations that every application, web application has. Also, the thing is, whenever you are going to update the existing to do, that is, you are going to perform put request. First, you need to fetch the data. So already we are familiar with get all, but here we will use get single request, like a single data from the database collection or whatever. So here we are going to perform get request also. So okay, that's it. Then next thing we need to add is like what routings we are going to create in our application. That is uh, like for slash, it is for home, of course. Can describe it as it describes the application, or it's a landing page for our application. Okay, plus it has a link to list all the to dos. Okay. Then we have slash add. This is add new to do page. Add page here. Add new to do page. It adds the new to do item into the database. Okay. And we have update slash update. Update existing to do page. It updates the to do. That's it. Then we have slash delete. Delete existing to do page. It deletes the to do. That's it. Okay. These are the routes we need to perform. Routes are nothing but multiple pages that will be shown to the end user. So after operations, after routes, we can see hooks. First of all, we need use effect for fetching all the data from database. Then we need use state to store the fetched data into a state. We need use context. Okay, use context is for inter-component communication. Okay, it simply means that we have lots of components here. Like if update wants something from the list to do page, so how they are going to communicate? There should be a global state that we can access from anywhere. Okay, so interstate communication. uh, Also we can use, or we can use props here directly without creating use context. Use props. Okay, it is a parent child uh, data processing mechanism. Okay. Then we need to decide which kind of packages we are going to use. So Axios is the first thing we will be using, because it's for network request. Okay, we are going to perform the connection request to the database. That is for backend, then it will go to database. So Axios is the library that helps us to send these requests, like get, post, put, delete, all these requests to the database. So we will be using this, but currently we are focusing on front end. So what I have decided is to just uh, create the front end without any need of the backend database. That's it. So whatever data we have will be fetched from front end itself, will be added to front end itself and deleted from front end. Whenever you refresh, all the data you have created will be gone. That's it. So keep in mind, because this is completely a front end playlist. So I'm focusing on front end first, and then we will integrate a backend when we have the backend ready. Okay, this is it for now. Also, what I need to add here is learning process. There are two things you should consider. First, watch all the videos, or we can say complete video, like single video I'm saying, without interruption. Interruption. I don't know the spelling. Okay, then watch complete video without interruption. Then you code on your own. On your own. Okay. Here, what I mean code on your own is, don't copy paste code, don't see the code. Whatever I have written, this is you just directly code on your own. You have seen the video in the first step. Watch that complete video, then you are going to uh, make that same video content on your own, because you have already seen that now. Then if you if you really need any help, if you really need any help, go to projects GitHub link and observe observe the observe the code, and again code on your own. Never copy. Please don't copy any code. If you want to use that same method or whatever, you just simply type it. Okay, but don't control C control V. You are not going to do that. Okay, this is the thing you should be considering before designing any what do we say, product. Okay, this is our product, that is a to-do application. Why I choose to application? The answer is because it consists all the requests that any application needs, and it will be a simple lightweight project that anyone can easily understand without any confusion. And it will give you a basic idea of how the React application works, how the backend will work, and all these things are working in a sync to perform a task. So the same logic you can implement on your in your project actually, when this project goes on the next level, that the level of this project will get higher and higher. Okay. Also, I would like to mention that this use context can be replaced with the Redux. Okay, or you can say Redux, but it's like not necessary for now, for sure. Not necessary. Not necessary, because for the low to mid level projects, use context will handle everything. But if you want the more control, if you want the more advanced tool, the Redux is the best solution. So in use context, I have created different methods to resolve some issues that use context has, so that people, this is the reason why people use Redux. Okay, so I will be showing the tricks, techniques in use context, so that you can make use of use context properly. So this is very important thing. I think this is enough for all your needs for front end. That's it. Thank you. I will be starting the project from the next video.